$1,000 is not a fortune, but put in the right places, it becomes the foundation of something that quietly grows for decades. Here is exactly how to split it. If this is useful, subscribe and like the channel. There is a lot more financial content like this on the way. $400 into an S&P 500 ETF VOO, or SPY. This is the anchor of any solid portfolio. One fund. 500 of the biggest companies in America. No stock picking, no second guessing, just steady, broad market growth that has returned around 80% over the last 5 years. $200 into QQQ. This is the tech play. QQQ tracks the biggest names in software and technology, the companies actively shaping what comes next. It has returned over 128% in the last 5 years. Smaller position, serious track record. $300 split across 3 individual stocks, $100 each. The goal here is not excitement. It is ownership in businesses that will still matter in 40 years. Apple, Google, JP Morgan. Companies with real foundations, real earnings, and real staying power. No penny stocks, no speculation. The last $100 sits in a high-yield savings account. Not every opportunity is visible on day one. Keeping cash ready means being able to move when something worth buying appears. Waiting with purpose is not the same as doing nothing. $1,000 split this way covers all the bases: broad exposure, growth, stability, and flexibility. It is not a complex strategy. It is just a smart one.